Alexander Williamson here with the secret history inside your aquarium. Guys, have you ever walked to your aquarium and said, "Holy crap, I didn't know I owned that animal"? Well, that's how I feel today about this creature. It is about, I don't know, what would you say? An inch and a half long? Probably an inch and a half long. It's as long as the fork tails and as long as the largest female shrimp in the tank. But what we have here, it looks like a carbon shrimp with a bronze or brown stripe, gold stripe down its back, and white eyeballs. Now, I have not seen this before. I'm curious if you guys have. Just kind of funny when you come to your own tank and you're like, what happened? I thought I put green shrimp in here. And then you give it some time, and then Mother Nature laughs at your face. I just think that's kind of odd. So here's to the weird things that end up in your tank and screw up your line. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that obsessed with this line, so whatever. It's kind of a pleasant surprise. I'd actually like more of those. It looks pretty sweet to me. Let's see if I can get a better shot of it. It very well may be actually a blue that's like molting or something weird, but I don't know. It's like I can't tell. It looks so blue. It's black, and then I don't know if that's, no, it's not berries because it's at the end of its tail too. I don't know. The world shall never know what that shrimp is. And now, do I take it out and put it in with my nature coals, which is just kind of a natural population that I have going that's a mix of stuff? Or do I say, no, I want to keep this line pure and not bother with it? I don't know. Just don't know sometimes. So, it's pretty cool. I don't know if I want it mixing with my blues, though. What do you guys think? Alright, well, seeing as I didn't know it was even in here, and I watched this tank very closely, he must be one sneaky, or she must be one sneaky gal. She's got black legs as well, and I wonder if she is some sort of hybrid, or maybe not even the same type of shrimp. If I got her in a package with other shrimp, I don't know, because I definitely didn't buy a shrimp like that. Let me know if you think that a blue one could turn into that, or a black one could turn into that as it ages. Yeah, kind of cool though, and kind of also disconcerting about throwing the line off, but whatever. At this point, I'm not worried about it. I've got still got some true blues, some blue velvets, and some blue dreams over in this tank, and they are buried females that are confirmed have not been with anybody else. So I know that the only blue babies in this tank right now are going to be blue dreams at this moment, and in about 2 weeks, the next set of babies, which I will scuttle out of there, are going to be blue velvets. So, alright guys, just kind of an odd thing I wanted to share with you. Take it easy. If you like this, if you've had this experience where you look in your aquarium and you're like, I did not buy that plant or animal, give it a thumbs up for me, please. Subscribe, check out some of my other stuff if this ever happens to you. Maybe you'll find some other stuff that I do that you also find familiar and entertaining. So, talk to you guys later. Take it easy, and help me put my schooling fish through college, and check out my Patreon. Alright, keep on swimming, guys.